This may surprise you, but Cape Town is one of the most inclusive and breathtaking destinations on the planet. Known as the Mother City of South Africa, Cape Town offers more than just picture-perfect beaches and iconic Table Mountain views. This vibrant city is celebrated for its LGBTQ+ friendly culture and its warm embrace of diversity. Stroll through the colorful streets of Bo Kaap and hear its unique history, or explore hidden gems like the tranquil Kirstenbosch Botanical Gardens. Fun fact: Cape Town has an entire section of its nightlife devoted to celebrating LGBTQ+ travelers. Green Point is a must-visit. And safety? It's a top priority here, with local initiatives ensuring a welcoming experience for every kind of traveler. Feel the ocean breeze, taste bold South African flavors, and immerse yourself in a city where you are celebrated. Where's your dream destination? Comment below and subscribe for more adventures.